Hey guys, this is the Real Creophus, and today I want to show you this wooden grill scraper. I'm going to explain to you how to use it, but first I'm going to talk to you about why this is going to be the best option to clean your grill. As you may know, many people use one of these to clean their grill. I've used this one for a long time, but this is an inferior product when it comes to cleaning the grill. So what are we going to do with this? This is what we're going to do. Get rid of that. We got a much better way. Easy Function are the guys that have brought this wooden grill scraper to market. There's some others that are like it, but this is the one I highly recommend you guys go get. I'm going to have a link down in the description below about how you can get your wooden grill scraper, and this is the preferred way to clean your grill surface. As many of you know, those grill brushes have those nasty metal bristles that unfortunately can come off and get stuck to your grill. Now what happens if they get stuck to your grill? That means they can get stuck to your meat. That means it can get stuck to your food. And if it gets stuck to your food, that means it can end up in your mouth, and even worse, in your stomach. There have been some reported cases of people having intestinal issues because they've eaten metal bristles. Guys, this is the way to go. This is a much better way of doing this. So before I get into how to prepare this, check out this unboxing segment that I did. All right, so here we are. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, take a look here. Pretty simple design, simple packaging. You can read it. Easy Function wooden grill scraper. It is designed in the USA. It's made in China, as many things are. So take a look. Oh, check that out. You guys see that okay? Lifetime warranty, 100% guaranteed. I certainly like that. I also like this loop here. I like being able to hang this. So to me, that's going to be very nice. Also, I like that laser engraving on that. Hopefully you guys are seeing that just fine and dandy. I'm excited to try it out. So you get this simple packaging. You get this as well. Instructions, guys. See if you can see that. Take a look. So this is what you get with the packaging. So far, I'm excited. That's nice and thick. And I'm happy, real happy, excited to try this out. One of the things that you will notice is that I have two different grill surfaces here. The one on the left is from my Weber kettle, which is a 22-inch grill, and the one on the right is from my Primo Oval XL, which is about a 24-inch grill on the X-axis and an 18-inch grill on the Y, which means it's about 24 inches wide and 18 inches deep. And you will notice that each grill has a different thickness on the grate, and they have a different distance between each one. The good thing about the wooden grill scraper is that you can customize this to clean that perfectly. I'm going to focus on getting mine customized for the Primo Oval XL because that's the grill that I use the most. If you want more information about it, check out some of the other videos that I have. I've gone into great detail about that grill, and now I finally have something that I can use to clean this guy. So the first step in getting our wooden grill scraper set up to use properly is to build a nice hot fire. And I have the Primo set up to just under 400 degrees. So you will notice that I have the Primo Oval XL set up with only one side with the fire in it. I have the firebox divider set up because I only want one side in order to set up, customize our wood grill scraper. So what we want to do is we want to get this grill surface nice and hot, as I may have already told you guys, and we literally want to burn these grooves to match this. So with a nice hot grill, this is what we do. We get in and we push. Alright, so I'm out here with the grill scraper, and I'm noticing that because this one is nice and thick, see if I can focus you guys right here. Notice how nice and thick this is. If you've seen some lesser grill scrapers, you'll notice they are thin. They're almost thin as a knife edge, but this one is nice and thick. So I have formed some great contours on this specifically for this grill. I'll bet if I were to turn it over, I could do it for a different grill on this side. Take a look at that, how nice and thick this is. So here we are. We pretty much have this set up. We have this contoured exactly the way we want it to, and this is working great. This is something that I am going to use a lot of. This is something that I find lots of people could probably benefit from as well. If you are in the habit of grilling on a regular basis, again, you guys have got to get yourself one of these. I am very impressed. This is nice and thick and sturdy. I am able to really apply a lot of force if necessary. You'll see that I have some tarnish marks here from when I had this side of the grill over the direct flame, but the top of this, where the meat is going to make contact, is nice and clean. This is about as clean as I get my grill, as the heat, I find, will clean any germs that may be on this grill. And sometimes I've been known to take a paper towel or to take something and just wipe the debris, the crud away. But guys, I don't have to do that anymore. This wood scraper is going to save me a lot of time. It's going to save me a lot of cleanup. So it's important to have the grill surface nice and hot when you form these, but you don't have to have it that hot every other time. So now that this is formed and I have the contours on this just the way I like them, just the way I need them to be, the next time I go to clean my grill, I don't have to have it that hot at all. Probably a regular cooking temperature is what I'll do. And then from that point on, guys, I'll just come in, I'll run over this a couple times, and not only is this clean, there's no debris, there's no crud, there's no junk on it, but again, there is no chance of having metal grill or metal bristles stuck to your grill. So it's a big time safety improvement. I highly recommend you get yourself one of these. I'm the Real Creophas. This is the easy function wood grill scraper. Thanks for watching.